četiri.
So let's get things going with the lesson here. So at the beginning of the show, you heard three goofballs yell something loud, right? What you heard tri, četiri, sad. So it's a really cool little thing where in English, at least in American English, we say either ready, set, go, or we say 1, 2, 3. But in Croatian, they say 3, 4, now. So at least that's one that's one I'm familiar with. So let's say we're all lined up we're gonna have a race across the little wharf from the other side of the bay, and we're all lined up on the pier, and we're gonna go jump in the water and swim across. So we're all gonna start together. We say tri, četiri.
Tony, you got your floaties?
Yeah.
I what if you don't know how to swim?
Then there's a sinking contest too.
I'm first place in that.
Yeah, I won't be too far behind you on that one. As long as you go down first.
I'm gonna win.
So tri, četiri, we know what those two words are. Tony D, what tri, četiri?
3 and 4.
So sad. Sad is our last word there. Sad means now, like right now. Sad.
Sad.
Tri, četiri, sad.
3, 4, sad.
That's a fun one.
Yeah.
I like using that one with the kids, outside.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. That's a great one. Coming down the slide. Tri, četiri, sad. Slide.
Boom. Yeah, taking all those walks. Everyone's going on walks. Have them race from the corner to the yellow house.
Yes.
Tri, četiri, sad.
Yeah. Very cool. What else, Tony D?
I don't know.
Or let's say your dog poops on my lawn. I'm gonna go pick it up. Tri, četiri, sad. I'm trying to encourage here some proper behavior.
Yeah.
Curb your animals.
Okay.
Sounds like somebody had a little experience happen,
Yeah.
huh?
A lot less here at my dad's, but at my old place, wow. Well, just watch your step. Watch your step, friends. Okay, last episode we learned to love, which is let's say, Tony, do you remember how to say I love?
Ja volim.
Ja volim. Ja volim, I love you. And then we also heard another tough one, I adore. Do you remember that one, Tony? I adore is ja obožavam.
Obožavam.
Yeah,
That's
it's a crazy. Yeah. That's maybe not used too often, but it's another way of saying I love. And if you're not ready to make that commitment yet, I love you. Like you say, I adore you. That's like the step below. You're not rounding second base yet. We're still kind of watching for the steal sign. So I love ja volim and I adore ja obožavam. Okay, moving on for this lesson, we're going to learn how to say to live. So the verb to live is živjeti.
Živjeti.
Yeah, živjeti.
Živjeti.
So that's to live, right? So we're gonna
I like the spelling on that too.
Yeah. So
cool.
we got that Z with the quachica on top. That's make that j sound really interesting. We got the J in there. That's making the Y sound. So definitely a Croatian word. And there's no mistaking that one for an English word, right?
Yeah.
No German words going on there or Spanish. And then we have the word in. So in is u.
U.
Okay. How about from? Do you remember what from it was? Is. So you would say, ja sam iz Los Angelesa, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to learn how to say today, we're going to make another sentence. So the verb to live, and we're going to use that word in. So I live in Los Angeles, for example. So we're going to leave out the ja, so you can just say živim u Los Angelesu.
Živim u Los Angelesu.
Wonderful. So ja živim means I live, but we're going to leave the ja out. So bear with me because we're going to combine and make a big sentence later. So ja živim u Los Angelesu, but for short, živim u Los Angelesu.
Živim u Los Angelesu.
Wonderful. So I forgot to add this in there, but if someone asks you, where do you live? You would say, Gdje živiš?
Gdje živiš?
Right. So that's you live. Ti živiš, ja živim. So that's the whole conjugation of the word. We're not going to get too buried in that. So gdje živiš, where do you live? That's the informal way of saying it. Gdje živite, that's the formal way of saying it. Gdje živite.
Gdje živite.
So
you leave out the je?
What do you mean, yeah?
Gdje je?
Gdje, where is. So Gdje živiš is like you're asking where live.
Oh,
so yeah, you don't do Gdje živite. Yeah, you don't really do it that way. So
Okay.
yeah. Interesting. Good point there. That's a little bit of a tricky thing going on
it's
there.
like where is the place that you live,
Yeah.
but you take that out.
Gdje, you're asking where is and where live. It's one of those like there's other languages that do it. So in English we use that do, right? There's that do word. It's kind of that auxiliary verb, but we're not going to get too bogged down. I live živim u Los Angelesu.
Živim u Los Angelesu.
Wonderful. So let's learn another form of saying it. So let's do we live. So the three of us, DJ Mo, Tony D, and Uncle Mike here, we live LA County. We're going to say mi živimo u Los Angelesu.
Mi živimo.
Živimo.
Mi živimo u Los Angelesu.
So you gave me a little funny look there, Tony D. You don't live in Los Angeles County, do you?
No.
Oh, brother.
Well, I mean,
brother.
This guy.
Close enough.
close enough.
We could say
Yeah.
mi živimo u Southern California.
Yeah,
Okay.
but wait,
Mi
what?
živimo u Southern California.
Mi živimo u Southern California.
Yeah, there's a way of translating Southern, but I don't think many people are using that. So I know that we live in Southern California. Okay, so I live in Los Angeles. We live in Los Angeles, right? So we have that u is in, živim and živimo is to, the verb. Okay, another word, but. I was just waiting for that giggle. I've been thinking about it all week.
It's been coming, long way coming.
Setting the bar low, Tony D. I appreciate that.
I didn't read down that far.
So we're using
Caught me off guard.
the conjunction but. So by instance, I love ketchup, but I don't like tomatoes. DJ Mo over here, right? That's where we use the word.
Hey, I've come a long way since that, by the way.
Okay, very nice.
Making strides towards my pomodori intake.
There you go. Okay, so but ale,
Ale.
right? So just like Muhammad Ali, but we say ale.
Ale.
Wonderful, ale. So here we're gonna put a nice sentence together. Here's the English example. I am from London, but I live in Toronto. So let's put that all together. So I am from is something we learned a couple lessons ago, but I live in is something we're learning today. So I am from London, but I live in Toronto. So here we go. Ja sam iz Londona, ale živim u Torontu.
Ja sam iz Londona, ale živim u Toronto.
Toronto, right? So,
Toronto.
There's a different play depending on the verb. That's cases that we'll hopefully avoid with all costs. We're learning phrases and trying to make it simple. If you want to get deeper into that, God bless you. Good luck. Maybe we'll touch upon it once I get a better handle of it. But ja sam iz Londona, ale živim u Torontu.
Ja sam iz Londona, ale živim u Toronto.
Bravo. One more time.
Ja sam iz Londona, ale živim u Toronto.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well done, Tony D.
Very cool.
Another example. I am from. Tony D said Melbourne earlier. I think there's a city of Melbourne in the United States.
Melbourne.
I heard it.
Melbourne.
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 We're gonna pretend we're Australian with really bad Australian accents for this one. I am from Melbourne, but I live in New York. You ready for this one, Tony D? So I am from Melbourne, but I live in New York. Ja sam iz Melbourna, ale živim u New Yorku.
Okay. Ja sam iz Melbourna, ale živim u New Yorku.
Odlično. One more time.
Ja sam iz Melbourna, ale živim u New Yorku.
That's a tough one.
Tongue twister.
Yeah, ja sam iz Melbourna, ale živim u New Yorku.
Ja sam iz Melbourna, ale živim u New Yorku.
Wonderful. So we have all these actions with verbs happening. We have these extra syllables at the end of the nouns. Makes it complicated, makes it tough, but it's more of about if we keep repetitively hearing things, it'll start to fall into place.
Yeah, right now it makes me feel like my mouth is moving all these crazy different ways.
Yeah, this is definitely a Croatian sentence. Ja sam iz Melbourna, ale živim u New Yorku. Ja sam iz Londona, ale živim u Toronto.
And I like instead of saying ali živim, it's ali živim, almost like a flowing word.
Well, you could say ja sam iz Londona, ali živim u Torontu. So you could do it that way, but we're doing it this way. You know, that's the flow we're going with.
Well, yeah, and the flow sounds more natural than like I'm learning kind of.
Natural flow. We're doing our best here. Let's review everything we learned today. Okay. Oh, top of the show, the review. četiri sad.
četiri sad.
Which means not translated perfectly, but you're implicating ready, set, go. And the verb to live is živjeti.
Živjeti.
Odlično. In is u.
U.
Okay, I live. Živim u.
Živim u.
We live. Mi živimo.
Mi živimo.
Okay, then there's the question. Where do you live? Is gdje živiš?
Gdje živiš?
That's the informal way of saying it. The formal way is gdje živite.
Gdje živite?
Wonderful. The last word is but. Ali.
Ale.
Way to go. Way to not laugh out loud, Tony D. Okay, let's review those sentences we did. Ja sam iz Londona, ali živim u Torontu.
Ja sam iz Londona, ali živim u Torontu.
Odlično. Ja sam iz Melbourna, ali živim u Yorku.
Ja sam iz Melbourna, ali živim u New Yorku.
Odlično, Tony.
Don't forget to hit subscribe
and smash that like button.